have mine
There's
on a
Todd.
little cooling rack at the center.
There's Steen. Walking in the snow. Hey, Steen, look at me. Oh well, they didn't look at me. Joyce, come here. Help me to tape the video. I don't know what she's doing. I think she's like dancing. The dancing of the snow. Just kidding. She's going to Todd. She's saying hi. She's looking around. Just like, what the heck is going on here?
She's had enough.
I think she's cold. She's coming back. Oh, hi, Steen. Oh, the tree.
Tree is attacking her.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No.
Oh, no. Uh-oh.
It's snowman and snow again. Okay, the window
She's
just cleared
attacking
off
us.
this morning. And now she's adding more snow to him.
Here comes again. She has a sweet face. Like, hi guys.
Yeah, hi. Whack.
She wants to smash us. Oh, there's that again. Oh, Stan's going again. Hi, Joyce.
This is me watching them.
And this is me watching them.
Lady watching all of us in her bathrobe.
Oh, I'm moving a lot. Okay. Wait, she left. Oh my god. I gotta go find her. Oh, there she goes. She's just going for the other door.
Get out now?
I can't. Too much snow. Oh.